Hi, my name is Caroline. I'm a second year here at UGA, double majoring in public relations and fashion merchandising. I first fell in love with the creative side of fashion in high school, but I've learned to love the business and consumer side of the industry. I've always loved experimenting with my own personal style. I always say if I don't have critics, then I'm not trying hard enough. And I believe that speaks to my personal style. Thinking outside of the box is my favorite part of fashion because that's what it's about for me, being creative and expressing myself. Another thing that I'm passionate about is building a more sustainable future for fashion. As the second biggest polluter in the world, the fashion industry has a lot of work to do, and it will take effort on both the consumer and business side. After watching the True Cost documentary and doing a project on sustainability in one of my classes, I've learned a great deal on the negative impacts that the fashion industry has. Personally, I've taken steps to making my closet more sustainable by shopping at secondhand or thrift stores and supporting brands with major sustainability plans like Levi's or Eileen Fisher. As a born retailer, I believe that consumers will appreciate a business's efforts to be sustainable. I hope to set a standard in the industry by promoting sustainability through designs that are true to my style, environmentally conscious, and ethically made. I also hope to work with other leaders in sustainable fashion like Nike and Patagonia. The future of fashion is sustainability, and I would love to be a part of this change.